Warning. This video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
Shoot it to a star. I ain't trying to kick you, let the seat back, ho, give me that tall. I walk out on that road. She gon' grab that mall. I smoke baby high, D go discount that bitch gon' meet it ball. You know the time I gon' start dissing. Late night creep on traffic, I gon' grab that Drake forever kicking. That boy gon' learn about that distance. Since the wrong thing, don't mean that to know it. I ain't trying to kick you, let the seat back. Know that one, you know he quick, I got him.
Give a fuck about you, give a fuck about them. Niggas should know by now, got a stick on me and the cash on me. These pussy ass niggas better out here. Got the rest on me for sure out here. Got the shit from the back like a toe out here. Her bro told me step on these niggas next so they might choke out here. Got the switch in the back of the spot. They want smoke, drop, die. Brand new cool out of lot. I'ma just drop my top. Red up big wanna fuck my clique. This rolling never tick-tock. Corona gang got me sick. Me can I have my dick? But ain't never done sit now. Yeah, here, right here, free my dog. I'm bound to get it. Only fuck with your dog. You talking shit like Mark, but ain't even man. Won't smoke, we flying like Hamilton. Chris boy tried to tempt, but we ain't damaged them. Now I got a little bitch trying to summon dick just like a dynamo. Oh, I'm flying, nigga. I'm flying, nigga. Time I just trip, I can't even see my eyes, nigga. My eyes, fucking your bitch on the back.
Okay, so YouTube, we about to eat some seafood in the black truck, man. Oh, I dropped the blunt. Y'all know what that means. Trying to find a lighter. Oh shit, that bit might be in the garage. Fuck. I started the video out up here, but I'm at. Yes, I got the lighter. Now I'm gonna tap this out right quick. I just found the light. I'm gonna tap this out right quick before I start in. I'll turn all the lights on in that bit. Oh shit, I'll turn all the lights on in that bit. Shit. Y'all already know we living good. Good money on there. Good food. Good weed. Y'all know my man there. Don't act brand new. Yeah, don't act brand new. We got everything in that bitch. It makes her shake. You feel me? But if it wasn't for y'all boys, I wouldn't be where where I'm at today. Let me start Eno for like y'all turn off on me. We did the black truck mukbang. Bringing out the fuck poppin'. I know y'all want to see the seafood. I'm finna show y'all.
Chopping like a saxophone when we get gone. Made a little phone, no reality. Spinning the rest and I put shit on. Rocking it chrome, I can't get near me. Spending my money on switch and Glock. I'm a gangster. What I need was no security. Nigga can't jump the switch. Hey, I'ma read this song, need mission. No, she slime for all my beef.
Y'all niggas know what the fuck going around their way.
You can go ask me. My wrist is on free. On my hip is a heat. Making this for the neck. Can't wait to leave. I'm a bullet hitter. Ain't mine. This shit ain't bad. All my hoes get cash. Run it up. This shit fast. Big chop in the go yard bag. No belt too high. Down the crash. I get too fly. No more automatic. They bump me again like a jab band on the road. We all got an instrument ready to blow. In the trailer like Pakistan. Trying to whack a man with my nigga. I'm ready to blow it. I'm ready to blow it. You want some life, LeBron? Joe it. I hit it block with the score. Walking nigga down some money. Niggas ain't slime, they really look bored. Nigga like this life is a cloud, he bored. Fuck it, I'm riding around with the switch and bullet. You see off, we hit him with nothing, nigga.
No belt, nigga. Fuck the ops, we the ops, nigga. We the ones really spinning blocks, nigga. No belt. Like these niggas just make this song today, I get gone, you know what I'm saying? Smoking dead off, till my fucking head pop. You walk down. Smoke criminal, you out like Marcus. Don't pull up
Alright, YouTube, we back with another fucking video, man. We at the spot with this shit, man. Y'all niggas know what the fuck poppin', man. Yeah, man. Getting nigga ass smacker, real deal smackers. Looking at let me stop bullshit. Sit y'all bitch ass niggas up right quick, though, so I can make sure I'm in this shit, man. I hope this shit's still rolling, man. Yeah, man. Real deal smacker, man. I'm about to knock shit down in that motherfucker, man. Nigga know what the fuck poppin', man. Let me stop trolling this shit. Stop trolling. Y'all know I'm finna start trolling. I'm putting my black gloves on. I'm ready to put me a nigga ass in the body bag, man. Y'all niggas see we in that track again, man. I ain't came back to another video and got down so long. I hope y'all can hear me, but what y'all see the clothes in the back of shit, man. I done piled that bitch up. I had the whole back seat, front seat, like both seats in the front seat, like clothes packed in them motherfucker. I just took some out, goddamn, one round. I ain't did no video in so goddamn long, man. I'm finna fire that blunt up on y'all. I can't play no music on. And I already know about ATF and all that bullshit, man. Tell them folk, come on with it, bro. Come on with the fucking interview, man. Y'all niggas know what the fuck happened. Get another clay on for y'all. Yeah, man. ARP in the trap, bitch. Splat, splat. Did that splat ball, motherfucker. Splat ball. We go green. You don't know why we go green, though? You don't know why we go green, though? I'm finna tell y'all. Let me take a hit of this blunt. Oh, damn, that burnt my lip. Y'all wanna know why we go green, though? Let me tell y'all. The night sights. LE trade-in. LE trade-in. No regular Glock night sight. The night sight glow in the dark green. Lime green to be exact. So we go green grip. My partner gave me the clip. It's a 30. I hold 29, but one in the head 30. One up top, one in the face. My partner gave me that clip. He already had the stick on there. Y'all probably can see in the gun content on the shorts. I did something with his Glock too. This before I had my Glock. He had 2 Glocks, and I only had the Tyree. Yeah, I only had the Tyree. But yeah, I think therefore I had the Drake too. If I ain't trying. But I know in the Drake. That just like me calling my car Trap Hawk, bro. You don't think I know what I got, bro? It's a fucking Tech 9, bro. I just call it the ARP shit. Micro motherfucker. You feel me? Micro ARP. This the old school ARP though. Like nigga working this bit back in the day. That old school shit come through hanging out the woman. Splat, 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 splat. Looking at. I already know we go hollow point. We got regular hollow too. I don't feel like loading my clip back up. Then we got FMJ Glock box. I'm gonna show y'all what's inside Glock box. I hope y'all can see. My girl got a gun too. She got a 22 tire, motherfucker. This my sister clip though. They go to my sister gun. She got a tire and 9mm. Everybody blitzing in this bitch. Video of my sister, I got 2 sisters. One, I hop out the kitchen with my sister. I hop out my room with my sister, and then I got a 9. My other sister, This my favorite gun though. It wasn't my favorite gun at first. This was my favorite gun, the Tar. But since we got the 30 on that bitch, 30 ball motherfucker, that Dookie ball, this my favorite one. I still like the Tech though, but I think for like shooting, I like this cause the 30 motherfucker. They got a universal clip I'm gonna get for this motherfucker. Universal stendo, but it all black. And I think I want to get a black all black Glock. This shit like metallic. Y'all can see it. And then my barrel, that shit like Navy SEAL blue. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this shit like Navy SEAL blue. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I like that shit, but I gotta get an all black Glock. And it probably gonna be a Gen 5 with the lines on it. That's the one my partner had. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. at the spot with this shit. Nigga be doing too much for the content. Nigga be out there putting their life on the line for this shit, bro. That shit gonna take off. That shit gonna take off. God got my shit rolling in slowly, man. Slowly for surely, man. Oh, my truck, I did a whole video on it, bro. I don't go to the east. I don't go to the west side, the south side, none of that shit, bro. I stay out the city, bro, cause I can't even get out this motherfucker. I don't get out my car when I drive it, bro. Nigga, goddamn, I'm hungry, bro. Ain't got no drive-through. I'm not getting out the car, bro. Y'all nigga got me once. Y'all fooled me twice. You ain't fooling me again, motherfucker. You feel me? Well, I ain't no twice. Y'all nigga know what the fuck, pipe. I'm on mom. Come through wiping shit down, man. Yeah, though, but y'all. Nigga been had this truck since 2021, but my daddy gave it to me in 2023. Nah, it was 2024. I'm tripping. I'm tripping hard. It was 2024 May. That when he gave it to me, and it wasn't his truck no more. I think it was 2024. I ain't had a truck 2 years. It only been like 6 or 7 months or 8 months. I got it last May, but it's May again. Damn, nah, that been a year. Nah, yeah, that been a year. Damn, I had the truck for a minute. But hell yeah, y'all boy, that's it though. I'm wrapping this shit up. I'm finna goddamn listen to me some music. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning, man. Y'all boy know I don't go to sleep for shit in the world, man. The fucking man sleep. I'm out here grinding. I just posted a YouTube clip literally like at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., bro. I don't bullshit, bro. I get this shit in. You got to though. You gotta crawl for you walk. You gotta work hard for what you want in the world. That's what I see. That's what my dad taught me. The truck motivation, like, that's why I wanted to see. I want to go get another car, like, that's why I cut my dread. I don't want to look like these niggas. That's why I set my SRT down in the garage, bro. I damn sure got the money to fit this motherfucker. Ain't no had. Got. I ain't gonna fix it, though. I'm trying to go AMG, man, not just SRT, man. This shit get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you get on the better thing, bro. That's why I just told my mama I'm glad I got out this track Hellcat bullshit mentally, bro. I'm ready for some bullshit, some player shit, bro. I can pop out downtown, man. Nigga know they took that car, man. They getting locked up all rip. I ain't no police ass nigga. I ain't finna call the police. I'm gonna shoot at your pussy ass, but that $100,000 car, you think you finna break the window and search the bit, bro? You ain't even finna have no time, bro. Another thing nigga don't know, bro, like, so I get in that bit, black gloves, in that bit, black gloves on the pistol, black gloves on the steering wheel, nigga know what the fuck poppin', boom.